How to add scroll animation in Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add and play around with the different scroll animation available in Framer. So over here right now, as you can see, we're currently in our dashboard and Framer. And let's actually start with a new project to start fresh and show you guys how this scroll animation could be applied and taken advantage of, as you can see. So over here, we have our very empty and very fresh new project. For me, I will be utilizing templates that is available over here for us under the insert option over here in Framer. This will save us a lot of time, and I would always recommend that you guys take advantage and utilize these options as well. So what you're going to do is where I'm going to add a page for now of this entire template over here. So this is our landing page. As you can see, very simple, very great, or very good. So where do you find our scroll animation? So let's say for me, I will be playing around with a specific section. So this entire section for now. If you look over here on the right side, if you look at the names, let me zoom in over here so you guys could see what I'm talking about. If you look through the different namings, you have link, position, size, layout, you have effects, overlay, cursor, styles. You can't really see or identify the scroll animation. There's a scroll section over here, but it's not a scroll animation. So where do you find that specific section? So you will be able to add a scroll animation under the effects option over here. And you can see here, let me zoom out, that you have scroll animation, scroll speed, scroll transform, and scroll variant. So we have the scroll animation available over here. And you could do triggers as you can see. So you could choose between on scroll, meaning the animation would activate as soon as you scrolled on it, and the direction is down. The replay is yes, meaning after the animation or after you get back to that, if you want to scroll up and view it again, the animation would still play out or the animation would still be of effect. We have a preset over here, whether it's fade out, scale out button, flip horizontal, slide out, or stuff like that. So let's try scale out button. After that, let's click on publish. So we could try and check it out. Open our link, and now we have our page over here. So over here, as you can see, we have an effect on this specific section. So let me zoom out actually. So there we go. If I scroll down, it's going to disappear. So I have to be careful with how you want it to be, or like how the settings would be. Because as of now, if I scroll up, it will appear, but scrolling down, it won't. So it's definitely with the direction over here. So let me update this again. There we go. Let's refresh this. And let's see. So scrolling down, it's going to appear as you can see. Scrolling up, although it's going to disappear again. So we have that. So what we could do is we could do no on the replay, I guess. And then let's actually try out other things right now. So let me remove the animation. And let's try adding animation to specific elements only. So we have this. As of now, it has already an effect over here. But let's put a scroll animation. So on scroll, or whether it's on appear, we could do fade in, which is what was the effect earlier was. But I want to on scroll. So if we do down or up, I guess we do scale out or flip vertical. And then let's try another one for this specific element over here. This one already have an effect. Let's do this entire section. Go effects, scroll animation. When it is on view, let's do flip or slide to the left. Let's do this entire group over here. Select all of them. There we go. And let's add an effect as well. So let's say scroll animation, layer in view. it will slide in the bottom. So we have a few animations right now. Let's click on update. Let's refresh this. And now we have, it's a bit hard to see this, but as you can see, there's an effect. And scrolling down or up, you will see the effect over here for the logo, and over here for this specific section over here. This group of elements. If I scroll down, it's going to pop up. And this one already has an effect as well. So it's a bit confusing, or it might be difficult to make a really good collaboration between the different effects. As you can see earlier, we're having some issues with how it should be. Let's actually try and modify things over here. So instead of spring, let's do ease. And there we go. Is it the same? Is in, is out. Let's do the same thing for this entire section over here. Because I feel like it's a bit too fast, that we're not really able to properly appreciate it. Do that. This entire section as well. Is there an effect? This one has an effect. Ease. This one. Ease as well. This one. Ease as well. So publish. Or update. There we go. Refresh this. As you can see, the animation is now much smoother. As you can see, you can better appreciate how it is popping up, as you can see. So let's add one last thing for this group one over here, this group of elements. There we go. And let's add an effect. Scroll animation. What else have we not used yet? I guess scale in, fade in, flip vertical. Effects would be ease. And that's it. Update. Wait for it. Now let's refresh this. Scroll down. It's only activating with the up button. But as you can see, you can see the effect over here. So let me use my... There we go. So you can see. We have our very fancy animation over here happening with our different section of our websites. As you can see. So this one's flipping. These are flipping as well. And scrolling up, you can see the logo appearing to the left. As you can see. So you could choose to either animate or scroll animate specific elements, or you could group a group of elements over here, or you could do the entire section as well. Since it's a bit fancy, or I think it's cool if you have an animation for an entire section wherein if they scroll to that section, they will be introduced or they will be welcomed with an animation. So that's a really cool thing. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.